To understand SARS-CoV-2, Olivia Keiser and Jan Estel and their research team from the University of Geneva brought together findings from a wide range of research fields in their project. They combined data from surveillance systems and a semi-automated literature analysis and then developed mathematical modeling based on this. So, they brought together experts from epidemiology, statistics, mathematics, infectiology and virology to research the virus together.
So the aim of our study was to analyze the huge number of publications as quickly as possible, to combine this with routine surveillance data and then to parameterize a mathematical simulation model. And that really led to the development of a new interdisciplinary surveillance program.
The researchers wanted to achieve this goal with several independent sub-projects, which supported each other and ultimately complemented each other. One sub-project comprised a semi-automated analysis of scientific literature, including preprint articles on SARS-CoV-2 and Covid-19.
We first identified the scientific literature on COVID, and then we used artificial intelligence methods to copy the publications into different topics and subtopics. So, for example, there was a topic on COVID vaccination, another topic on the course of the disease. And the aim was really to identify and extract the relevant information as quickly as possible and then parameterize the mathematical model.
In the second sub-project, the researchers analyzed health data from surveillance systems in Switzerland. This data was collected in collaboration with the Federal Office of Public Health. They used it to examine factors that influence the course of the disease. The findings and data from the two sub-projects were then used to develop mathematical models in a third sub-project. The aim was to use these models to estimate the course of the pandemic.
Of course, such models cannot predict exactly what will actually happen, but we can, for example, compare different measures and their impact and see what is possible in different scenarios. We are still using these models. For example, right now, we are working on an analysis of the situation of post-COVID diseases in Switzerland.
The results of the sub-projects were shared with the Federal Office of Public Health on an ongoing basis during the pandemic, and can also be used profitably in future research projects.
We published the relevant results as quickly as possible in order to make them accessible to others. As the project has been designed to be relatively flexible, it is now also possible to adapt the model to other outbreaks.